Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is the fourth day of Christmas card series, and today I'm going to paint a snowy landscape using wet and wet technique, and which has snowy pine trees in it. So I'm going to tell you the easiest way to paint a snowy tree today, and I'm using masking tape because today I'm going to use wet and wet technique, so it's better to use masking tape. So let's start. So first I'm going to create a basic structure of pine tree. This is very basic structure because anyways we are going to modify this structure later, so keep it very basic at the beginning. And I'm going to create two pine trees. One is a little bigger than the other one, and I'm going to paint these two pine tree with gray color. And this is first layer of this particular tree, so we are going to add multiple layers of color in that particular area later, so keep it gray for first layering. So we are done with the first layering of the tree. So I have applied a huge amount of water at the background, and I'm applying blue color for the background. So nothing fancy in here, just applying blue color throughout the background that I have. And later I am also going to add a little hint of pink towards the sky. So that is the two color that I'm going to use for the background. I'm going to fill this blue color at the lower area as well, because this is like snowy landscape, so you can keep it a blue, little light shade of blue or light shade of purple, those kind of color which actually goes well with snow. So with the help of gray and black color, I'm also differentiating the land which has tree in it, and the snowy area. Now it's time for second layering of the tree. So this time I'm using little dark shade of gray color, and I'm creating a pine tree structure in there. So this time you can actually create little branches and sub branches for the tree, but no need of proper detailing in the second layering, because we are also going to add multiple layers in it. So in the third layering I'm using almost a black color, and I'm creating branches and sub branches to make this look like it's a pine tree. So shades of colors are different, and I'm doing same thing in different places to create this pine tree. So as you can see, the previous structure that we have created at the start, that is gone. Now with the help of acrylic color, so this is acrylic titanium white color, I'm going to create this snowy effect in the tree. So it's better to use either acrylic color or gouache color to make this snow, because in the watercolor you will not able to get this particular effect. But if at all you don't have acrylic color or gouache color, you can use very high concentrated amount of white color in it and create this snow around the tree. So it's very easy when you use acrylic color, and just tap white color around the tree branches and you will get snowy effect like this. And with the help of black color, I'm again highlighting little branches in between these snow. I think this is the easiest way to paint a snowy pine tree with the help of acrylic color. And after that, also sprinkle white color around the tree and the sky to make it a little more snowy. And we are done with this particular painting, so we can remove masking tape. Be careful and remove it slowly, and then we can write a simple message, whatever you like to add. And that's it. I think we are done with this particular greeting card. Hope you have liked this video. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. Do let me know if you guys have any feedback for me, and thank you so much for all your love and support, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.